Okay, I had some questions, so I wanted to show today how to install the smaller antennas on the Ford Transit vans. The one I'm going to be installing is a Stubby. It's the Stubby by Craven Speed, and of course you can see the stock antenna here, and then here's the size of a Stubby. So the reason we do this is because the stock antenna, when you're going down freeway at any kind of speed, any kind of wind, it'll start whipping like this, and that can be super distracting, catching the corner of your vision as a driver and or the passenger. So that's why the Stubby was invented. As far as reception, that was a question mark. I don't have any reception monitoring equipment, but I didn't notice any difference between the stock antenna and the shorter antenna. So the one issue I noticed and had a question from some other people is there's no flats on this surface here. And without flats to put a wrench on this, the stock antenna was so tight that I couldn't get it off. So the cure is pretty easy if you do have one, and you probably will have one that's super tight and you won't be able to take it off. Just put a rag around the antenna and grab it with a pair of pliers and unscrew it that way. That'll give you some grip to unscrew it without marring the old antenna, just in case you might want to put it back on later. So after you loosen it with a rag and a pair of pliers, pretty straightforward at that point, just unscrew it. And take the new Stubby, screw it back in, and it's a rubber base to it, so you can just tighten it down like that and you're ready to go. So now again, the purpose here is to get this waving motion out of your eyesight. So with the Stubby like this, you still, at least I still had the same radio reception and not all the waviness and distraction coming from the antenna itself. So that's about it for the Stubby antenna installation. Again, Stubby by Craven Speed, and you can get it direct from Craven Speed. I got mine off of Amazon. I'll leave a description in the comments below.